We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time in a second?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous red burgundy wine colored wig.
Chances.
Today's hair sponsor is Arabella hair. I've been working with them a lot and I continue to work with them because I love their wigs. Today I have installed a 24-inch 13x4 frontal wig.
Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go?
I'm doing it a different way, like installing this wig. I'm kind of going from left to right. I'm gonna see how that works out for me. You know, the thing about installing wigs is you can get really comfortable doing something a particular way and you don't know if there's a better way or an easier way, right? Until you've discovered it. How do you discover a new way? Well, for me personally, is trying new things, and you guys get to see if it's a hit or if it's a fail. So yeah, bear with me, you guys. And also, this lace is kind of stained red here, so you're definitely gonna have to put like some foundation on her or something, because I'm noticing like, yeah, it's definitely stained. Okay, so now I'm gonna secure this part.
I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself.
Whoa, this can, like, when you spray it, it almost like explodes. We attached her. She's secured. So today's install, I use a mixture of ebony spray and wig dealer spray. So that's what I used. And we're gonna have to do some stuff to this hairline because that's what she's looking like. From there, you might not be able to tell, but from here it looks crazy, okay?
No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith, you'll find me.
I don't like to style the wig like when I have this band on. I don't go over the hot comb really because I want to see where I'm combing, where I'm hot combing, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's what I don't do.
Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.
Before we move forward, I need to do something about this lace.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if
Then I'm gonna go in and rub off that extra bit that I put on. You see? You see where I'm going with that? So that's what we're gonna do along the red part of the wig.
we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
Okay, this is what she's looking like. Where do we want the baby hairs? We want some here.
I wonder, would you
Okay, so we're gonna do the baby hairs.
love me better if I go?
Curl and then I cut. And then I curl again.
Not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us know how to go? Would you pray on my weakness? satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you.
Okay, this wig is so pretty. Like, oh my god.
You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get it all, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it
We're gonna define the part.
feels like yellow, yellow.
Once you start defining your part, you can't not do it.
It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow.
And there we have it, guys. That is the finished look.
You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Misbehaving.
What I have installed is a 24-inch, 180% density, 13x4 frontal wig. This is in the dark burgundy and red wine color. It's a lot, you guys, but look at her. She's beautiful. Fun fact, yesterday was my birthday and I am filming this video the day after. Now, I did a fresh out of the box install for this beautiful wig, so there wasn't that much work required, but the lace, you guys, was a bit stained with the red dye. I haven't washed this unit, so I'm hoping that when I wash it will come out. If it doesn't come out, I'm gonna try to hit the lace with some bleach. But this is the install. It's a very simple, straightforward install. We didn't do any baby hairs on this side here. We just literally focused just right there. But when the hair is styled, you can't really see it. It's just, you know, if the wind blows, you know, you're prepared, you're ready for whatever. You guys, this color, get into it, because this is like the chicken salad. It is so pretty. Wow. I've reviewed a lot of 99J burgundy wigs, some red tone wigs, but this by far is my favorite. There are some spots where I'm noticing like the red right here. I can see like some brown. If you wanted to really be a perfectionist, could you find something wrong with it? There are slight things like that where, you know, you could apply some more dye to. I'm not sure if it's really picking up on camera, but that's just the little details that I noticed, because I am a hairstylist and color theory was a big part of my job and you know, my learning process in schools. I do notice things like that more so than maybe other people would. I don't think it's something that's like a deal breaker for me. It's just a pretty wig. Everything else is beautiful. Like, I like where the highlights are placed. I like where the black pieces are, and I like that it's on a black rooted wig. A lot of times with these like colored highlight wigs, they use brown hair, but this is like black, so this is definitely up my alley. As I'm playing with the hair, I'm noticing that the curls are kind of dropping. If you really want the curls to last all day, put some hairspray on it while you're styling it and just don't touch it. But the hair does feel relatively soft for, you know, the fact that it had to be bleached to get to this color. But wow, is it ever beautiful, you guys. I love it. I love that it has the two face framing sections right here, because that really like sets it off for me. I don't know about y'all, but like for me, that's where it really makes this wig so beautiful. As you can see, like down here, you have some chunkier black sections. This is what the back looks like. From what I can tell with it being curled, I would say it is true to the density. So I love this wig. I would have given it a 10 out of 10 if it weren't for those two things. But because of that, I still think it's still a really beautiful wig, and I would recommend it to you guys. If you're looking for a wig that looks like it's been colored by a professional, but you don't want to do all that work, go check them out, because they have a lot of beautiful options, such as like this wig here. I haven't seen anything in particular that looks exactly like this unit. I am definitely loving her. I'm literally obsessed. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm doing the most with this unit because she's so pretty. If you guys want to check out Arabella hair and you want to purchase this wig in particular, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below, so check that out before you go. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads. You know my reviews are always 100% honest. Yeah guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna leave that information there. You guys can do what you will with it, but look at her. She's beautiful. 24 inches. She's giving me life. I love it. Definitely recommend you guys checking them out. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.
Something in your eyes